Sometimes you need to change the render order without messing up your hierarchy. So to do that, select the diamond and create a new layer over here. And we'll add object and children to that. So now the clear diamond shows through and the red one doesn't. So why is that working? Let's switch over to the layers tab. Here we can see there's layer 1, and that contains the diamond object and mesh. And layer 0 has the red diamond mesh and object. So we'll just rename this layer red. And now if we drag layer 1 under layer red, the red appears again. That's because, opposite to the scene, layers render from the bottom to top, much like Photoshop. So if we just switch these, that'll change that. And if we switch the objects, nothing happens because the layers take priority over the hierarchy.